everyone. So for this day we are going to discuss the greatest common factor and how to find the greatest common factor between the numbers. Okay, so let us first define the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor is the factor which is the highest among the factors that are common to two or more numbers. Now, in getting the greatest common factor, we can use the listing method, and the second one or the second process that we can use is the prime factorization. Again, as what I've mentioned earlier, in getting the greatest common factor of two or more numbers, we can use the listing method or the prime factorization. Now, we are going to use in the given examples the first method, which is the listing method. So we have here example 1 and example 2 where we are going to use this process. Now, when we say greatest common factor, we are going to find the highest factor which is common among the two numbers. Okay po, in Tagalog, yung pinakamalaking factor na meron silang dalawa. Okay po, ano daw yung factor na common sa kanila na siyang pinakamataas doon sa mga factors nila. Okay po, yun yung hahanapin natin. Now, let us do the example number 1. Okay, let us find first or list all the factors of 28, meaning all the numbers that can be divided to 28. So, ano daw yung mga numbers na pwede natin i-divide kay 28? Yun yung tinatawag nating factor. So, ililist natin siya, kaya tinawag na listing method. So, 28 can be divided by 1. Pwede siyang i-divide sa 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. Okay, next. The next step is finding or listing all the factors of the second given, which is 40. Ano yung mga numbers naman na pwedeng i-divide kay 40? We have 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. So, lahat ng numbers na yan, pwede natin i-divide kay 40. So, these are the factors of 28 and these are the factors of 40. Now, wag muna tayo mag-focus dun sa greatest common factor. The next step that we need to do is to find first the common factor or factors. Ano daw yung factors na common sa kanilang dalawa or meron silang dalawa? So, we have here 28 and 40 has 1. Meron din sila parehong 2 and meron din sila parehong 4. The rest, wala nang katulad. So, we have the common factors 1, 2, and 4 for 28 and 40. Now, our next task is to find our main goal for this lesson, to get the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor. We have the common factor. What is the greatest among these common factors? So, ano daw yung pinakamalaki? Yung 1, yung 2, or yung 4 ba? So, of course, the greatest common factor is the 4. So, the greatest common factor between 28 and 40 is 4. This is our final answer. For the second example, we are going to use also the same method, the listing method. So, again, the first step that you need to do is to list all the factors of 36 and list all the factors of 45. So, dun muna tayo kay 36. Anong numbers ba ang pwedeng i-divide kay 36? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So, you can check kung lahat ba ng nakasulat na yan ay divisible dyan sa 36. 36 ba divisible dyan sa mga numbers na naisulat natin? If yes, of course, ito na yung factors ng 36. Ano po? Now, second step, get or list all the factors naman of the second given. So ano daw yung factors ng 45? So sa 45, ang factors niya is 1. Pwede siyang divide sa 1. Siyempre, sa 3, 5, 9, 15, and itself, which is 45. Okay, so we have already listed all the factors of 36. And of course, nasulat na din natin yung mga factors ni 45. So ano yung next step? Of course, get the common factors. Ano kaya yung factors na meron silang dalawa? Okay po, so meron tayo rito 1. Si 36 at si 45 ay may 1. Walang 2 si 45. Pareho silang may 3. So we have 3. Walang 4 si 45. Walang 6 si 45. Pareho silang merong 9. Yan ang 9 nila. So, bilugan natin yung common. And then 9. The rest, okay, wala ng common factor. So, dito po, sa 36 and 45, common factors na meron sila are 1, 3, and 9. So, yan yung common factors. Now, proceed tayo dun sa ating main goal. Get or find the greatest common factor. Ano yung pinakamataas na factor or common factor na meron si 36 and 45? So, the greatest common factor of 36 and 45 is of course 9. So, ito ang final answer natin. The greatest common factor of 36 and 45 is 9. So, kanina, ginamit natin yung listing method in getting the greatest common factors of the given number. Ngayon, ang gagamitin naman natin ay yung second option natin, which is the prime factorization. So, pwede rin natin siyang gamitin in getting the greatest common factors of the number. Now, to check kung tama rin naman yung nakuha nating greatest common factor kanina, same given lang din yung isinulat ko. So, kanina sa listing method, ginamit natin yung 28 and 40, and yung second example natin is 36 and 45 naman din. Okay, now, so gamitin na natin yung prime factorization. In using the prime factorization, of course, you're going to do the process. Get the prime factor first of the numbers that we are comparing. Okay, so 28, so pwede natin siyang i-break down into 7 times 4. And then, si 7 ay prime number na. So, ito si 4. Ang i-breakdown naman natin into 2 times 2. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. Okay, bakit hindi natin siya bin-breakdown? Wala na po siyang factor. Ano po? Ang factor na lang niya is 7 and 1. Okay po. Now, kunin naman natin ang prime factorization ni 40. So, 40, breakdown natin siya into 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. Next, breakdown natin si 8 into 2 times 4. Okay po. Si 5, hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-breakdown. Prime factor na siya kasi ang factors na lang niya ay 5 and 1. Now, si 2, prime factor na siya. Si 4 na lang pwede natin i-breakdown into 2 times 2. Okay po. Now, kunin natin yung factors nila. So, si 28, ang factors niya ay 7 times 2 times 2. Si 40 naman, ano po, ayan o, 7 times 2 times 2. Si 40 naman ay merong itong prime factors niya. Meron tayong nakuha 2 times 2 times 2, tatlong 2 at isang 5. Okay po. Now, anong sunod nating gagawin? The next step that we need to do is to get the pairs of common prime numbers na meron sila. So, check natin. Si 28 merong 2, si 40 ay may 2 rin. So, sulat natin, meron silang tag-isang 2. Cross out na natin. May tag-isa silang 2. Now, si 28 ay merong isang 2 at si 40 may isa pa ring 2. Cross out natin. So, times 2. 7, wala nang 7 dito. Okay? So may 5 dito, wala namang 5 dito. So wala na. So meron tayong pair ng dalawang 2 at another pair ng dalawa pang 2. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So kanina, ang nakuha nating sagot, GCF ay 4. So dito po, ang GCF din nating nakuha ay 4. Ano po? So ganyan lang po yung process na ating gagawin. Ano po? Prime factorization, then kunin natin yung pairs ng common na prime factors na nakuha natin after the prime factorization. Now, let us proceed to the example number 2. Same step lang po. Prime factorization muna na ang gamitin natin dito sa 36. So, pwede nating kunin ng 9 times 4. So, 9 times 4 is equal to 36. So, pwede nating breakdown pa siya into 3 times 3 is equal to 9 at ito naman ay 2 times 2. Okay po. Now, punta tayo kay 45. So, si 45 ay pwede nating i-breakdown into 9 times 5. Okay. Si 5 ay prime factor na. So, si 9 na lang ang pwede nating i-breakdown into 3 times 3. Okay po. So, ilista natin yung prime factors nila. So, si 36 ay merong 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. Yan ang prime factors na nakuha natin kay 36. Yan yung kanyang prime factorization. Now, kay 45 naman, so meron tayong 3 times 3 times 5. Ano po? 3 times 3 times 5. So, kanina, ang 36 and 45, ang nakuha nating greatest common factor ay 9. Okay, check natin kung paggamit natin ang prime factorization, 9 pa rin ang makukuha nating greatest common factor. So, isulat na natin dito ang GCF or greatest common factor equals, kunin natin yung pairs na meron sila pareho, meron siyang 3, meron din siyang 3, times, meron ditong 3, may isa pang 3, hindi sila pareho pang ano. So, dalawang may pair sila ng 3, another pair ng 3. Now, may 2 rito, wala naman ditong 2. Another 2, wala naman ditong 2. May 5 dito, wala ditong 5. Okay po. So, ang natira lang natin na pair na nakuha ay dalawang 3. So, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, our GCF is equal to 9. Okay po. So, gumamit man tayo ng prime factorization or gumamit man tayo ng listing method, we will come up to the same answer po. Ano po? In getting the greatest common factors of 2 or more numbers. Ano po? So, kahit anong gamitin ninyo dun, hindi kayo magkakamali as long as sumusunod kayo dun sa process. So, that would be all for this day. Thank you for watching, everyone.